welcome back. It's my day off and I was just organizing my closet, and this brain of mine asked me, why am I not filming today? So I thought maybe I could show you my bag collections because I love my bags, starting with this mini crossbody bag. I love the color of this bag. It's chocolate, but I can't even put my phone in it. And the second bag from Charles & Kate is this bag. This was a birthday gift from a friend. And I have this Longshan tote bag. And what else? I have this Orutan bag. It's a crossbody bag again, pine green, and I love this color. I think this is the only green bag that I have, and green is also my cum color, so I love this bag. And I have another Marc Jacobs crossbody bag. I used this bag a lot last year. And I have this Coach Debbie bag. This is my first Coach purchase ever. I love the color. And I have this bucket Coach bag as well. I can carry it as a crossbody bag. What else? And this Michael Kors. Sorry. I love the detailing on this bag. Okay. And it feels like puffer jacket, isn't it? It's really nice. And I have this one from Michael Kors, but this one was gifted to me by my sister-in-law. It's a shoulder bag. And I think this is the biggest bag that I have from Tory Burch, a shoulder bag. It's really nice, black. And the last one, my absolute favorite, is this one from Tory Burch as well. This is my go-to bag. I carry this a lot these days. Not just these days, I've been carrying this a lot since I ever bought this one. It's really elegant. So that's it. I think that's all of my bag collections. Good morning. It's another beautiful day in Brisbane, and I am on my way to do a car service with my husband. So I'll show you around.
Dish.
Favorite dish?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
I mean,
What do you
What's
like
the-
to eat?
yeah. What do you like to eat?
Like,
What's your favorite thing about your mom's cook or your dad's cook?
my dad doesn't cook.
Oh, he doesn't cook.
No. He doesn't even cook. He only just does one thing. Not twist stuff.
Ah, okay.
Crystal?
Magfagi butana beri aru chugu suri size ma jona bero na ta shuka de bela bero mi
Okay,
bombe
I'm using your technique once again. Ready? Go!
Wait. This is a. Hey, get it.
We're finally done and heading back home. I'm hungry. We went to do a quick shopping on the way because weekend is the only time when we get to do a proper shopping for the week. So there we are, buying this and that for the week. I'm back home. I'm home and tired. So I'll take a nap for now, and I'm going to see someone later. So I'll take you with me later. Bye for now. This is who I came to see. Little princess. Isn't she cute? Aww. 22nd of September today, and I think it's 2 of tomorrow. So my sister-in-law invited us for a little picnic. Let's get ready with me.